to HTS. My name is Leo Sotelo, and if this is your first time here, go ahead, since you're here, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, because I'm making content on how to make money online, potentially make money online. You have to do the work, and you have to use some certain strategies. And what I'm going to teach you right here is it's free. It's a free way to make money, and it's an alternative that I found. I don't know how long it's been around, but I found that. I thought I'd make a video on it and kind of show you what I did and watch it pick up traction. So I want to tell you one other thing before I get to the video. If any of you have ever took that one funnel away challenge, the guy talks about blogging, and he said no matter what, keep your blog. Even though some people think blogs are dead, they've been around forever since the internet started, and keep your blog alive because that represents you. It represents your knowledge, your information that you're giving to the world out there. So work until your haters become your admirers, and when people start seeing you learning things that they don't have no clue what you're talking about, then they start admiring what you picked up and what you learned. So let's get to the video real quick, or to the website I should say. So we want to talk about Ghost.org. I'm going to get rid of my image down here. I want to open this up so you can see it all the way. And Ghost.org, and I found this. I checked to see what the traffic is like, and it's 33. That's almost 500,000 visits a month. So, and let's see, United States, India, China, United Kingdom, and France. So there's a way that you could get a lot of traffic to your posts here, to your articles, and you could put your links in there that directly go back to your blog, your landing page, or your promotion. Let's say you're promoting something from like JV Zoo, an affiliate product. You could go here, and I'm not promoting anything, by the way. Here, I mean, I'll have that one funnel challenge thing in the description if you want to check it out. That's up to you. But you could go here and start promoting products from JV Zoo. But this is what I want to show you right here. Here we go. Go back to Zoo. So publish online, build a business, work from home. They got a lot of writers, podcast creators publish on it. So if you go down here, you see that Moz, all these other DuckDuckGo, Well Simple, they all use this website. It's for made for publishers, entrepreneurs, made for developers, powerful platform to share your content. And if you read all this, it's actually pretty cool. But this is what I want to show you on the bottom, because they some of you heard of Tumblr and other Medium. I made a few videos on Medium. It's actually a pretty cool website. You post your stuff in there, and it tells you the alternatives that it's for compared to these other platforms. So it's pretty cool stuff. So is all you do, you go to the top, you start a free account, and it's going to give you have to put your information in there, because there's a free 14-day free trial. So my advice would be to have all your articles ready. I'm going to show you where you could get those articles in a minute. So stick with me, and all you do is go here, you fill out the information, you're going to put your card stuff in there, but it's going to show on the bottom left that it's not going to charge your card until it's going to let you manually pick it, instead of you just kind of automatically like other websites do. So I'm going to sign in here. It's going to open up my admin, and I started using this platform. I want to see how it does for a few days. You could also put a reminder in your phone to remind you, like in 12 days, about Ghost.org. But I just uploaded this article right here. But it's pretty cool. You name your site up here. I put Passions to Profits. View site. This is where you do your post. And if you want to do a new post, you go up here, and you can use your tags. So far, these are the tags that I've used: education, entrepreneurship, finance, financial freedom. So people looking for those specific things, it's going to show my content. And in my content, let me show you real quick. In my content, I was able to add my YouTube channel video that explains about the topic that I'm talking about, and I'm able to give a link right here to a landing page that talks about some of the solid education that I picked up. And down here at the bottom, I put my email address and I put my website in case they want to go check it out. Then I submitted it. I published it. So let's say you want to start fresh, right? You want to start from a new post. You just go over here, and this is where you go to get free articles, e-zine articles, right? There's authors with the best articles. Submit your high quality original articles for more exposure, credibility, and traffic back to your website. So here's all the niches you have right here. You got business, gaming, real estate, travel, women's interest, investing, food and drink. There's so many niches, and it's going to break it down. So let's say I go right here into internet and online business, and I want to pick something for, I want to pick an article that has to do with, let's go with internet marketing. It's going to bring up all these articles. All these articles are going to bring up, use Facebook. So for this example, I'm going to use this one right here. See what that. Then I want to copy this headline, copy it. I want to go over here to, just don't leave it. Okay, I'm coming back. So I'm going to go here to my editor. I'm going to post that up here. And then exit out of that. Then I'm going to grab, I want to copy this. I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to go back over here and paste it all right here. So now you see you have an article in here. You might want to go through it, kind of edit it if you want, put some different things. Make sure you give the guy his credibility. I think it's just ethical to be doing that. And it's also ethical when this trial expires, pay the little fee. I think it's like $30 for the basics. Don't go in there and start making fresh new accounts. That's kind of messed up. That's not how we do things as entrepreneurs. We're ethical and we're honest about things. So let's say you got a product over here from JV Zoo, or let's see, let's go down here. Let's say I want to, because some people say you could just put the product in there directly, like if it's from JV Zoo or if it's from what's the other one, ClickBank or whatever it might be. And if you make the sale, you get the money, but you're building up their business by not collecting the email. So it's up to you to decide what you want to do. If you don't have a landing page builder and you're kind of doing things on a budget, then do it this way. Just go down there and start promoting products from the affiliate products, affiliate dashboard, approved products. So find the products. You can find products that you want to promote. Make sure it's in the internet. Make sure it's related to the article that you're posting. So let me go back over here because I want to show you something that my funnel links. So if I'm going to be promoting, let's say this traffic secrets one, I'm going to go in here and I'm going to type something like get the best traffic for your website. And then I'm just going to go in here, highlight it, link it up, and I'm going to copy that, put that in there. Now that link is in there. Now I'm not going to publish this right now. I'm just showing this for an example. But you out there could take advantage of this. And if you want to do it free, if you don't want to, because let me show you what that landing page is. Pretty good landing page. It converts pretty good. See if it loads up pretty quick. So this is the landing page I made, and I made a video right there. It's good to interact with others. I made this landing page. They get everything right there. But let's say you're doing it all for free. Let's go back to the free stuff. So Go to affiliates, find products. Let's see if it loads up pretty quick, because this is taking a while. It's starting to get irritating. I know you guys you don't have all the time out there. That's the point of getting to the internet. So right here for this example, this video maker right here, you want to get the link, you want to copy it, and you will go back over here. Let's say we're doing it the freeway. We're going to exit the link out, exit that, then we're going to put in another link. So now that link right there is going directly to that product. And let's see what that product is, by the way, because I know it's for video making or something like that. Video maker, yeah. So this is actually a cool product. I heard a lot about it. Haven't got it yet. I'm just using this for an example. And let's go back over here. Now you want to put that link kind of in the top part of where, on the beginning of it, and then kind of go like scroll down, and then when you're kind of at the end of your get video maker, get the best video maker on the market now. It's kind of like a call to action. So go right there, click there, put your link in there, and that's that. So in this video, this video right here, this is going to give you a solid idea. You could do it for free. You might not be able to build your list at the moment. Maybe JV Zoo, if you get a few signups, they might, I'm not sure yet, but they might send you the lead and under your account that you have with them. I know some website platforms do that, affiliate marketing platforms. Excuse me, I need to take a drink. And once you're done with this, you just go up here, you hit publish. And when you hit publish, actually before you hit publish, this is what you do. You upload an image, so when it sees it, let's say the image I want to use is, let's see if I get something from down here. Have a bunch of files. So we're just gonna go with a quick image real quick. This one right here. This is for an example. I just want to load that up. I don't even know what it is fully yet, but make friends who force you to level up. That's a good way to put that out, because that's motivation. And then right here, you're going to put tags. You could put any of your tags you used previously or you have. Make money online is a big one. Personal development, make money, self-growth, work from home opportunity, and just fill it up to all of it. Then you could go right here, extra content for search engines. You could put your content right here on what you want it to be about. Now, before you do that, I would make sure that you're using some of the keywords that are in the title, and you want to put those keywords in here as well. And then the meta description on what the article is about and stuff like that. See, it already has it right here. It builds it up for you. So that's for the search engines to get in there and crawl. Then hopefully you get ranked up in Google, Bing, whatever website. And once you're done with all that, I'm not going to submit this one. This is for an example. I just wanted to show you how to do it. It's a free way to do it. You go right here, you hit publish, and your article is going to be live. And you could always go and redo this in so many different niches here. You could pick out as many as you like. You could spend a few hours doing this and let it work for you while you're out doing something, because when your stuff gets pushed up into Google and people type it, maybe not nobody you know, but somebody else. The internet is really big. You could you have the potential to make money like that. And I wanted to show you that website because, see, the weird thing is it was 333,166 whatever. But it's weird because you go right here now and it brings up, it kind of dropped the number a little bit to 147.70K. That's still a lot of monthly visits. So the best thing to do is just take advantage of it. Keep marketing. Put your stuff out there. It's very simple. There's free ways. There's other ways. I'll have videos around here that will show you some other free ways, ads. you have to put your stuff out there to make stuff work. And like I said, I don't want to take up too much of your time. Thank you for stopping by HTS. I hope you stop by again. Thank you for subscribing, and let me know in the comments what you would like to see on this channel. What kind of content that will, that you're interested in, and I would research it. I'll do my best to do it. Let's all make some money together. We could do it together. Thank you very much. You have a good day. Good night. Bye.